let's discuss with the numericals of mole concept. So we are already discussed the calculation of molar mass, calculation of mass, or we'll discuss about calculate number of moles and molecules in this numerical. Calculate, if the question is like this, calculate the number of moles and molecules. Very important. What we have to calculate? These are the two terms. First one, calculate number of moles, and second one, calculate number of molecules of urea. Calculate number of moles and molecules of urea present in 5.6 gram of urea. Means 5.6 gram contains how many moles and how many molecules present. That we have to calculate with the help of numericals. So first of all, what is given? What is given this numerical? Mass of urea is given. So what is that mass of urea? Which is 5.6, which is 5.6 gram. Second, the molecular mass of urea. So what is the molecular mass of urea? Which is NH2 C double bond O NH2. Formula for urea is NH2CO NH2. So to calculate molecular mass, that we already studied, to calculate molecular mass, take the number of atoms multiplied by its atomic mass. So how many atoms are present? Nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. Nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. There are 4 atoms are present. Sorry, 4 elements are present, in which we'll take one by one. First we'll take nitrogen, second we'll take carbon, third we'll take oxygen, fourth we'll take hydrogen. How many nitrogen atoms are present in this formula? 2 nitrogen atoms are present. So 2 multiplied by, what is atomic mass of nitrogen? It is 14. If atomic mass is not given, nitrogen has, then we have to remember it. If nitrogen has atomic mass 14, then carbon has 12, then oxygen has 16, then you can write to the top of the atom. Then hydrogen has 1. So these are the atomic masses of the element not given, then you have to remember. So 2 into 14. Second, carbon. How many carbon atoms are there in the formula? Only 1 carbon atom. So 1 into 12. Next, oxygen atom. How many oxygen atoms are present in this formula? So only 1 oxygen atoms are present. So 1 into 16. How many hydrogen atoms are present in this formula? So 4 hydrogen atoms are present. So 2 and 2. So 4 multiplied by 1. So what is the formula to calculate molecular mass? Number of atoms multiplied by atomic mass. Number of atoms multiplied by atomic mass. Number of atoms multiplied by atomic mass. All calculation will get 60 gram per mole. What will we get? 60 gram per mole. What is this? This is called as molecular mass. This is called as molecular mass. This is next. What we have to calculate? Number of moles. To calculate number of moles, formula is there, mass upon molar mass. This is very important formula. Maximum numericals of mole concept is only depending on this formula. Very important formula. Number of moles, mass of urea divided by molecular mass of urea. So you have to remember the formula. Small n is equal to W by capital M. Mass upon molecular mass. This is very important formula. You can write by this way or you can write by this way. So what is mass? 5.6, that is given. And what is molecular mass? 60, that we calculated. So 5.6 upon 60, gram per mole. So gram get cancelled. Mole will be shifted toward upward side. You will get 0.0933 mole. So how many mole? 0.0933 mole. Second part, calculate molecules. How will calculate molecules? Number of molecules of urea. So what is the formula? Moles. So calculating, if the formula is not given, then write down the formula. Number of molecules is N multiplied by formula. Calculate number of molecules. N multiplied by Na. So what is small n? Small is number of moles. What is capital Na? That is Avogadro's number. That we already studied. Avogadro's number is the number of atoms present in 1 mole. That is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This is constant value. This one we have calculated with the help of this numerical. This one multiplied by this one, we will get 0.5618 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. 0 will shift toward upward side. This is -1. You can write -1 shift toward upward side. So 23 minus 1, 22. 5.6 into 10 raised to 22 molecules. Let's take second numerical. Calculate number of atoms in each of the following. We have to calculate number of atoms present in the following moles. In which first, 52 moles of argon contains how many atoms? Very simple numerical. We know that, what we know that? 1 mole of argon, 1 mole of any compound, 1 mole of argon, 1 mole of neon, 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of water, or 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Very simple. This one is very standard. 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This is common to all numericals. So 1 mole of argon contains this one. So 52 moles of argon contains how many atoms? That we have to calculate. Just make it cross multiplication. 52 multiplied by this one multiplied by this one. You will get answer. So 52 multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms divided by 1. You will get answer 313.144 into 23 atoms of argon. Second numerical. 52 units of helium contains how many atoms? 52 units of helium. In the previous numerical, what we are calculate? We are calculate atoms by moles. But right now moles are not given, units are given. 52 units of helium contains how many atoms? So let's consider atomic mass of helium is what? Mass of one. What is atomic mass of helium? Mass of one atom of helium. So helium atomic number 2, atomic mass number 4. What it means? One atom contains how many unit? 4 unit of atomic mass. One atom contains 4 unit. But 4 unit contains 1 helium. 4 unit contains 1 helium atom. Then 52 unit contains how many? So just make it cross multiplication. 52 multiplied by 1 divided by 4. 52 multiplied by divided by 4. You will get 13 atoms. Next, third numerical. 52 gram of helium contains how many atoms? 52 gram of helium contains how many atoms? We already solved this type of numerical in the previous one. So number of moles. First of all, if the mass is given, that we have to first of all, what is the calculating formula for number of atoms? Small n multiplied by capital N. That is number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. First of all, we have to calculate this one. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate number of moles first of all. So how we will calculate number of moles? Number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass is 52. Molar mass of helium is 4 because it is monoatomic. So helium atomic number 2, atomic mass number 4. So 52 by 4 is 13 mole. Gram get cancel, mole shift toward upward side. So number of atoms is n upon n multiplied by capital N. 13 multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. You will get 78.286 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of helium. Let's take next concept. Moles of and gases. So in the previous one, what we have discussed? We have discussed number of moles and molecules of solid substances. Right now, most of the substances are in the gaseous form. So gas has a less mass as compared to the solid and liquid. So we'll discuss about the formula or what is the consideration of moles of gases. 1 mole of any gas occupies volume 22.4 decimeter cube. So one gas, 1 mole of substance. So what is 1 mole of substance? 1 mole of gaseous substance. 1 mole occupies 22.4 volume. Gas has a volume. So at standard temperature and pressure. What is standard temperature? STP means standard temperature and pressure. So STP. We can write directly by STP, standard temperature and pressure. So standard temperature is 0 degree and standard pressure in the chemistry is 1 atmospheric pressure. So volume of 22.4 decimeter cube is 1 molar volume. We know that volume of 22.4 is 1 molar volume. So how will we calculate number of moles? So number of moles again mass upon molar mass. But right now what happened? Here mass is not there. Mass is replaced by volume. Volume divided by molar volume. Volume divided by molar volume. What is molar volume? 1 molar volume is 22.4. And number of moles is what? Number of moles is N multiplied by Avogadro's number. That we already did the previous numericals. N multiplied by Avogadro's number. So you will get N multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Let's discuss numerical on the concept. Calculate number of moles and molecules. So very important, in this chapter we have already calculated number of moles and molecules. Of an ammonia is NH3 formula, gas in volume. See, solid substances has mass gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, 4 gram, 22.4 gram, 16 gram, 600 gram, but gas has a volume in decimeter cube. So ammonia gas has a volume 67.2 decimeter cube of measured at standard temperature and pressure. What is standard temperature? 0 degree Celsius. What is standard pressure? 1 atmospheric pressure. So let's solve the numerical. What we have volume of, this is our given data. This is our given data. What is given data? Volume of NH3 gas, that is 67.2 decimeter cube. And what we know? We know that molar mass of volume, molar volume of gas 22.4 decimeter cube, 22.4 decimeter cube per mole. And what is the formula for number of moles? Number of moles is what? Mass upon molar mass for solid. And for gaseous one, it is volume upon molar volume. Volume upon molar volume. What is molar volume? 22.4. What is volume? 67.2. Just put the values in the numerical. 67.2 divided by 22.4. But we will get 3 mole. And how we calculate number of molecules? Number of molecules again same. Small n multiplied by Na. What is small n? Number of moles 3 multiplied by Avogadro's number. What is Na? Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So you will get 6 into 3, you will get 19, and 22 into 3 you will get 18.066 into 23 molecules.